Your question is, when was the Supreme Court inaugurated in India? Your options are A. 27 January 1950, B. 28 January 1950, C. 29 January 1950, or D. 30 January 1950. Right answer is B. 28 January 1950. Your question is, Supreme Court in India was established. Your options are A. By an Act of Parliament in 1950, B. Under Indian Independence Act 1947, C. Under Indian Government Act 1953, or D. By the Indian Constitution. Right answer is D. By the Indian Constitution. Your question is, of the following statements, which one is not correct? Your options are A. Supreme Court was constituted in 1950, B. Supreme Court is the highest court of appeal in the country, C. Supreme Court can hear from any high court or tribunals except court martial, or D. Supreme Court can hear from any high court or tribunals as well as from court martial. Right answer is C. Supreme Court can hear from any high court or tribunals except court martial. Your question is, the power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India is vested in. Your options are A. The President of India, B. The Parliament, C. The Chief Justice of India, or D. The Law Commission. Right answer is B. The Parliament. Your question is, a judge of the Supreme Court may resign his office by writing a letter to. Your options are A. The Chief Justice, B. The President, C. The Prime Minister, or D. The Law Minister. Right answer is B. The President. Who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court of India? Your options are A. The Prime Minister, B. The President, C. The Chief Justice of India, D. The Ombudsman, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is B. The President. Your question is, what is the retirement age of the judges of the Supreme Court? Your options are A. 60 years, B. 62 years, C. 65 years, D. 70 years, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is C. 65 years. Your question is, a judge of the Supreme Court may resign his office by writing to. Your options are A. The President, B. The Prime Minister, C. The Law Minister, D. The Attorney General of India, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is A. The President. Your question is, a judge of the Supreme Court can be removed by the President of India after. Your options are A. An inquiry by CBI, B. An inquiry by Chief Justice of India, C. A report by the Bar Council of India, or D. An impeachment by the Parliament. Right answer is D. An impeachment by the Parliament. Your question is, how can a judge of the Supreme Court be removed? Your options are A. By the will of the Chief Justice, B. By the President, C. By the President on the recommendation of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, or D. By the President on the recommendation of the Parliament. Right answer is D. By the President on the recommendation of the Parliament.